What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today I'm going to show you how I make smoked salsa. You're never going to want to buy salsa from a jar again. Let's get started. So first I have a pound of Roma tomatoes that I've sliced. I have 3 garlic cloves, 1 jalapeno I sliced in half, 1/3 cup of red onion, a handful of cilantro. And I also had some spices, but we'll get back to those later. So I've got all of these veggies on my smoker at 225 degrees. You're gonna smoke those for 90 minutes to 2 hours. I like to do 2 hours because it really seals in the flavor. You don't have to smoke the cilantro. I like to, but it will turn it from being soft to kind of a little crunchy, but you won't be able to taste the difference at all in that salsa. So once everything's done smoking, add your ingredients to a large bowl, or you can also add them to a food processor or a blender. Then you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, along with 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and some salt to taste. And then this is where I'm gonna grab my immersion hand blender. You can also use a food processor or a regular blender and pulse that until those ingredients are well combined. And there you have it. You can serve this either warm or chilled.